Going places, understanding this popular English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, going places. This phrase is commonly used in English, and understanding its usage can help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's dive in. The phrase, going places, is an idiom in English. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. When we say someone is going places, we don't mean they are literally traveling to different locations. Instead, we're saying that they are destined for success. It's often used to describe someone who is talented, ambitious, and likely to achieve a lot in the future. To better understand this idiom, let's look at some examples. With her amazing singing voice, she's definitely going places. His innovative ideas at work show that he's really going places in his career. In these sentences, going places is used to predict success in someone's future based on their current abilities or achievements. Like many idioms, going places can be slightly altered without losing its meaning. For example, she is going to go places in her career. He's a young athlete who's going places. Additionally, there are similar phrases you might hear, such as on the fast track or rising star, which also indicate future success. Now that you understand this idiom, try using it in your conversations. When you recognize someone's potential or want to compliment someone's talents, this is a perfect phrase to use. It shows that you are not only fluent in English but also familiar with its idiomatic expressions. That's all about the phrase, going places. We hope this video has helped you understand and use this idiom effectively in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and remember, with your dedication to learning English, you're definitely going places too. See you in our next video.